E ke mai ana te wā, ke whakawhiti atu a Hakaraia ki tā wāhi, mō ngā whakataetai o te ao. He oi he mahi papatoi ake, kai tua.
So we're just on our way to physio. This physio, I trust him 100% because he works with the likes of Israel Adesanya, Kaikara France, Shenyang, all of them, they all go to him. He's the fight physio of New Zealand.
Hux is second to none. You know, the things that Māori bodies are great bodies to work with, but Hux has started off early. Like, he's already a practitioner in Jiu-Jitsu and I think kickboxing and Taekwondo early on. Lots of potential at Hux. You know, he's obviously a born athlete. Really, he's works really hard, dedicated. He's got the right attitude for it. I think that's probably the main thing. And yeah, you see results, and it's great. And someone as dedicated as that, I think that's the right mindset for any fighter to go very, very far in this career. A stacked neck is common. Hips can be quite common, I guess, when you pull guard and someone falls on top of you. Shoulders as well is not uncommon, but I think a lot of lower backs as well. So mix of everything.
Nō te ue kahatanga o te tinana, kua horo te hoki ki te takapau hara tau ai, I mua I tōna wehenga.
Sit out. 1, 2. It has to be the outside leg first, because as soon as he puts this over, it blocks my access to the second leg.
The prep's going really good, but losing at Pampax really put me in an awesome place for this upcoming IBJJF Worlds. So I just really put a magnifying glass on the holes in my game, and I've spent the last few weeks just really plugging those holes, working on the things that I need to work on. It's been good. I've just been sticking to my rehab exercises, just being really smart.